Good evening, everyone. This is Jaimini Astrology channel. This is the second part of Mandook Dasha video series. In this part, we'll talk about one very important exception which we have got while we calculate Dasha years in Mandook Dasha. I'll explain what the exception actually is. Okay? It happens when we calculate Mahadasha years. As I said previously, I will show you what do I mean by that. Okay? Let's say we calculate Mahadasha years for Mahadasha of Aries, okay, which is there. This is an odd sign, okay, so the counting is direct or clockwise. We count, yeah, from the sign to its lord, yeah. Mesha, 1 Rishabha, 2 Mithuna, 3 Karka, 4 Simha, 5 Kanya, 6, and then we reach Tula, yeah, where the Lord of Mesha or Aries, Mars, is placed. We see that the Lord of Mesha or Aries traveled 7 houses, yeah, or 7 signs away from Mesha, yeah. So in that particular scenario, then instead of having 7 years of Mahadasha, instead of giving 7 years for that particular Mahadasha of Aries, we will give 10 full years, not 7. This is exception, yeah, this is an exception. So in that particular scenario, in that particular case, instead of giving 7 years for Mesha Mahadasha, we will give 10 full years, okay? The second example, just to make it clear and clarify. Let's say we calculate Dasha years for Mahadasha of Capricorn or Makara. Makara is an even sign, yeah? So the counting will be anti-clockwise. Let's count. Makara, 1, Danu, 2, Rishika, 3, then Tula, 4, Kanya, 5, yeah, Simha, 6, and Karka, 7. We see that in that particular case, the ruler of the sign, which is Shani, traveled 7 signs, yeah, away from the sign which he rules, which is Makara, Capricorn. In this particular scenario, we don't give 7 years for Mahadasha of Capricorn or Mahara, but instead we will give the 10 full years, yeah. Okay, so let's see the third example to make it clear. Let's say we count the Dasha period for Mahadasha of Kanya, okay. Its ruler is Mercury, Kanya or Buddha. Kanya is an even sign, so the counting will be anti-clockwise. Yeah, let's count. Kanya, 1, Simha, 2, Karka, 3, Mithuna, 4, Rishabha, 5, Mesha, 6, and Mina, 7. Here we've got the ruler of the sign, the ruler of Kanya, Buddha or Mercury, placed 7 signs or houses away from Kanya, for which Mahadasha we try to count our years, yeah. So instead of giving 7 full years for Kanya, we will give 10 full years, yeah. This is one exception, yeah. exception from the general rule. Okay, so let's see the last example. Okay, let's say we need to calculate the Mahadasha years for the sign of Simcha, yeah, which is Leo. Leo is an odd sign, so the counting will be direct. So count 1, Leo, Simcha, sorry, Kanya 2, Tula 3, Rishika 4, Danu 5, Makara 6, and Kumbha 7. We have found the ruler of the sign of Simcha, which is Surya, Ravi, or Sun, 7 places away from its own sign. So here we do not give 7 years, yeah, for the Mahadasha of Simcha, but we will give 10 full years, yeah, in that particular case, yeah. Like I've said before, this is exception, okay? So in that particular case, instead of giving 7 years for the length of Mahadasha, we will give 10 years, okay? Thank you very much for watching. It was the second part of videos related to Mandook Dasha, okay? Thank you very much for watching. Take care.